Are you looking for a low-carb meal? My name's Alex. This is Cooking at Camp, Episode 1. So what I'm doing today is what me and Tina call Nakey egg roll. And the reason being is it's basically the insides of an egg roll, and we just eat it in a bowl. So something that we really like, and it's very low carb. So let's get started. So what we have here is some ground beef, shredded carrots, onion, bacon, some cabbage, and soy sauce. I'm gonna get that ground beef in the pan, go ahead and get it browning up, and then we'll get all of our other stuff cut up and measured. Here we have almost 3 ounces of onion, diced up, zero out the scale. There we go. And then we have some bacon here. So almost 3 ounces of onion, and then just over 3 ounces of bacon. Now we'll cut up this cabbage. Okay, so ground beef is almost done. Doesn't necessarily have to be 100% done because it's still going to be cooking in the other pan with all the other ingredients. But it is like 99% done probably. There you can see a little pink, but that's just fine. So now we're going to go ahead and put the bigger pan on, get our onions and bacon going. Onions and bacon going in. Gonna let these cook down for a little bit. Now you could go ahead and mix all this stuff together if you wanted to. I just like pulling the flavor out of the bacon and onions first. Getting that bacon grease out of that bacon. That way it mixes together good. Onions and bacon has been on about 3 minutes, and just on medium heat. And here's 3 ounces of carrots. I'm gonna throw that in there. You can see how that onion and bacon is cooked down a bit. And now we can throw the cabbage on top of that. All right, so huge fail on my part. Set the camera up in the tripod and didn't hit record. So anyways, what we have here is bacon and onions on the bottom. Browned them for about 3 minutes. And then added our 3 ounces of carrots, and then about 1.5 pounds of cabbage on top of that, and then our drained ground beef on top of that. So we're gonna put a lid on it, let it sit on medium heat for about 5 minutes, let it start breaking down that cabbage and carrots, and then give it a stir, and then just keep cooking it until the cabbage gets to a consistency that we like. And then we'll add some soy sauce closer to the end. Try to pull that bacon and onion off the bottom. There we go. Let's keep going. We're now right about 10 minutes in. You can see it's cooking down real good. And we're gonna go ahead and add our soy sauce here. I'm gonna start with about 1/8 of a cup. We'll go from there till the flavor's right. Let her cook some more and give it a taste. We're now at 15 minutes in. And you can see she's cooking down real good. To me, the color looks like it needs more soy sauce. And some of the pieces of cabbage are not quite tender enough for me. But we have Tina here. She's got a fork. She's gonna give us our first taste test.
No, you're right. Color's not right. It needs to, the cabbage almost has to have like a yellow tint to it, and it doesn't. It's still pretty kind of white, more translucent. But
see where we're at on the soy sauce taste though. I think we're gonna need a little more.
yeah. Get on there. More soy.
Yeah. Okay. We'll add some more. Go from there. Still got it on actually low heat now. Okay, so I got me a little bowl here. You can see how much that's cooked down. And that is about 30 minutes worth of cooking. We did add some more soy sauce until it got to the flavor that we like. And just got me a little bowl here because not quite dinner time yet. We'll give it a good taste here. You can see how cabbage is cooked down. That's how we like it. Some of them's crunchy. It's hot, but it's good.
Good.
Mmm. All right. Good little recipe for something lean and healthy. Very little carbs, just that's in that vegetable, but great dish. And like I said, this is episode 1. We'll be doing more camping, cooking, and also camping videos. See you next time.